Hello, welcome. You might seen hand-drawn animated doodle videos on YouTube or Facebook. And now you are eager to learn the art of creating captivating, hand-drawn animated doodle videos for educational purposes. Hand-drawn animated doodle videos can explain different things by writing or sketching on a whiteboard, blackboard, or glassboard. This type of video is engaging and fun to watch. As an educator, you can break down complex ideas into a clear, engaging, simplified lesson by creating hand-drawn animated doodle videos. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating simple yet powerful hand-drawn animation techniques. Now, we will check all processes involved in hand-drawn animated doodle video creation. Step 1. Doodle video script writing. Step 2. Recording voiceover. Step 3. Choosing the right software. Step 4. Design or collect doodles. Step 5. Adjusting doodle animation timing. Step 6. Adding voiceovers and music. First, we need to have a video script ready for our video. You can write the video script yourself as you are the subject expert in your field. Or, you can take the help of an AI content generator that will create a video script for you in no time. You can record your voiceover on your mobile. Or, inside the video making app that has an audio recording option. I will suggest, as an educator, you need to record the voiceover yourself to connect with your student impactfully. While recording your voiceover, speak as naturally as possible. As a secondary option, you can use text-to-speech software to create a natural-sounding voiceover for your hand-drawn animated doodle videos. You will find a lot of hand-drawn animated doodle video making apps in the market, but you have to choose the software carefully. For my doodle video projects, I use Create Studio and Doodle Maker. For this video, I am using Create Studio software. Create Studio is a desktop video making software designed to help educators, social media marketers, and YouTubers create animated explainer doodle videos, live action videos, 2D and 3D character animation videos, and more. It has different hand style options like the 2D, 3D hands, and real human hands as well. As per your need, you can change your hand style. Please note, Create Studio has text-to-speech and audio recording options. So, you can create the voiceover inside the Create Studio video making app. Create Studio isn't a free software but isn't costly either. You can get it for a one-time payment of $67, which gives you lifetime access to the software with a commercial license. You might need to buy their all-access pass if you want to access their all video assets including music, 2D and 3D characters, video templates, and more. Yes, that will be optional. The $67 version of Create Studio is also worth the money because you're going to get 20x 2D and 15x 3D characters with a variety of activities that can cost you $1,000 plus. Yet I did not mention its other video assets value like done-for-you templates, music, icons, and other video resources. You can review them by visiting their official website. I have added the link in the description below. With the Create Studio $67 commercial license, you can create unlimited animation videos. If you are a freelancer, you can also sell your videos to clients and make money with them as you will get a commercial license. Yet Create Studio has a lot of doodle assets. Still, if you need unique doodle assets according to your video subject, please design them or collect engaging doodles before start working on your hand-drawn animated doodle video. Once everything is in place, you need to master the art of animating your doodles and understanding animation timing, transitions, and effects to make your animated doodle video dynamic and captivating. The final step is integrating voiceovers and background music into your doodle video to enhance the overall viewing experience. Adding background music to voiceovers is a simple process that involves a couple of steps. You need to place the music track behind your voice. Next, adjust the volume levels of the voice and music tracks to achieve balance. Use the fade in and fade out features to ensure smooth transitions between the voice and the music. Preview your doodle video a few times and fix what comes your way. When you are satisfied, export the hand-drawn doodle video. Hope you enjoyed the doodle video making process and learned a new thing today. Now it is your turn. Get ready to unleash your creativity and captivate your audience with engaging and informative hand-drawn doodle animations. More informative videos are coming. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below to let me know your thoughts about this video. Thanks for watching.